Hey guys, it's Paul. I just want to do a quick video to say if you want to Zoho partner with me, it helps me to continue free training. I do get paid off of Zoho, a percentage, 25% currently. It's February 2019. It's March. It's March 2019. I get 25% of everything you pay for the first 3 years, and then 15% for the fourth. It's I've just tiered up on Zoho, but what happens is it allows me to continue all this free training. Yes, it's YouTube training, but it's structured training. There's only one advert on my website, it's just this one here. And you'll see around my website I've got links to Zoho partner training. If you jump to a second page and it's your first time here, it may pop up at some point here. Help me, Zoho will pay me 25%. So if you click on this or this or this, you're going to go to a page where you've already probably clicked and you're watching this video, which is the video that I'm talking in now. So all you've got to do to partner is click on one of these two links. If you're using Zoho.com, click here. If you're using Zoho.eu, click here, and it will automatically tag me as your Zoho partner. Well, you'll have to log in. I'll show you. I'm going to click and do it. I want to say right now, though, I will get 25% of anything you've paid. If you've already started paying, I won't get anything. I'll just get paid for upgrades. If you're on the free version, obviously I won't get paid anything, but it helps me let Zoho know how many people I'm helping, how many people I'm training, so that they can see that, if I've got 200 people and 100 of them are for free, at least I'm training their free customers, So think about tagging me even if you're not paying anything yet, or you're not paying anything, or you've started paying. So if you click on, I'm going to do .com because the trial version I've got, the account I've got is Zoho.com. But if you're in the EU, click here. What it does is it will automatically put a tag on there. So it's going to probably tell me to log in. It takes a little bit of sign in. So I'm going to sign in at my Zoho One account. So this account has already been tagged to Happy Me Limited, right? So what you'll see if you're already partnered with me, you will see this. It takes a little bit of time for it to find. So it says here, tag your partner, Happy Me Limited. That's my company. That's another story. But you'll see here, I've already tagged Zoho One as Happy Me Limited. If you look at this, and that says another company's name, I don't want you to switch it. Look, you could change partner here. You could change it to me. I don't want to, because obviously somebody's already signed you up for some reason, or there's a company working with you, or there's something already happening, right? So if you've already got a partner, stay with it, stay with them. If you've got options up here to tag me, you click here, look, select all. So it already says tag your partner, tag your partner. So it's going to say the following services. There's one that might say allow Happy Me Limited to access your email or something. Don't tick it. I don't need to access your account or your email. Just click here, proceed. It's actually going to give an error. So I'm only allowed to partner on certain Zoho apps. So there's a few Zoho apps that I'm not allowed to. So if it says this service is not available for your partner, let me know. I'm trying to get Zoho to release all the apps because, as you can see, if you go to Zoho Training, something like Zoho Recruit. So if you go here to where's Zoho Recruit? Here, Zoho Recruit. I'm not actually a partner for a Zoho Recruit app, so you can't tag me for Zoho Recruit, but I'm going to work with them later. So yours will say you're now tagged and you're done. So thanks for signing up. Thanks for tagging me. Any issues you've got, just come and contact me. Click contact. It'll come to my website. The little support button here will jump up, and there's emails to support, right? Just email me and we'll get sorted. What it does is it keeps training free. It keeps it so I can help everybody. I can help all your employees. I can help your team. I can help your friends that are thinking about starting with Zoho. I will do it for you even if you don't sign up. I'm going to continue free training, but it just gives me a little bit of revenue. It gives me a little bit of motivation to keep going and to keep trying to give free training to as many people as I can. So I just wanted to dive in and say that's all you need to do. Click on Zoho Partner wherever you see it. Watch this video. and then tag me in either of these 2 links, and I will become your partner, and I get a little bit of money, but we'll get everybody sorted. We'll get everybody flying with Zoho. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully, any questions, give me a shout. Thanks for watching. Look forward to working with you guys. Cheers.